Hey Cherry Blossoms, welcome back to my channel. It's Miss Cherry Rose here, and today I am back with another hair review. It's not a wig review, but a hair review. I'm sorry if I'm looking crazy. I'm just anyway, this company, it is a company branch from your Fear store. It's from A to Z. It's a branch from A to Z Wigs. They're on Amazon, and they wanted me to try their crochet hair, and I believe it's 18 inches. So they sent me 6 packs of these, and I'm gonna open them up and show you guys in just a second. So the goodies, it came in this bag here, ladies and gents. So I am Amazon Prime, so yes. In the packaging, I was worried about finding my crochet needle because I haven't crocheted my hair in a long time. But they were kind enough to send me the crochet needle, because I thought I was going to have to go to the beauty supply store. They sent me some of these clips, some plastic rubber bands, and these are the little cutest little things. The things that go on the braids. They're made like, can you see that? They're made like little crowns, which I thought was adorable. And they sent me a mirror. A little handheld mirror. It got Hello Kitty on here, all that little other stuff. Happy Smile hand mirror. You know, I think that's cute. I'm going to give that to one of my babies. So, but yeah. And the bag, which, you know, I like the bag because it zips back up. And I can put the hair back in there when I'm done. When I take them out, I mean. But let's look at the hair. So, you get 6 bundle, you know, 6 little things of this, and I want to say 21 or 22 is on here. Let's see. We're not gonna count, but you get a good amount, just like you would in the store. And I want to say this is 18 inches, but I will be installing these today. And the color is, I believe that's 1B or black. Anyway, yeah. So, let's get started.